Hi everyone, welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I'll be baking Hakka salt-baked chicken. This method of cooking creates exceptionally juicy, tender and flavorful meat. Come along with me to see how it is prepared. Here I have 1.7 kg whole chicken at room temperature. I have already washed and pat dried it. We need to marinate it with salt and Chinese cooking wine. So rub salt all over the chicken, top and bottom, left and right, and also inside the cavity. Today I'm using the most simple marinade. If you can get hold of sand ginger powder, good for you. Rub 1 tablespoon of sand ginger powder. Also rub the chicken with Chinese cooking wine like Huatiaojiu, Shaoxing wine, Mijiu, etc. If you do not take wine, omit this, no problem. Marinate for 1 hour. Now we need to wrap the chicken. Wrapping it tightly is very important to prevent massive amounts of scorching hot salt from directly coming into contact with the chicken and to prevent the chicken juices from escaping. Essentially, the chicken steam in its own flavor and transform it into an ultra-succulent baked chicken. The salt cocoon evenly distributes heat without scorching the meat. So I'm wrapping it tightly with 2 layers of parchment paper. Then I tied it securely with 2 pieces of yarn. You can also add an outer layer of aluminum foil before burying it in the salt. However, you should avoid wrapping your chicken directly in aluminum foil, that is without parchment paper, as the high amount of salt reacts chemically with the hot metal, causing aluminum to leach into the meat and giving the chicken a metallic taste. So try to tie it securely like so. Today I'm just using 2 pieces of parchment paper. This is coarse sea salt. I have 9 kg of it. It costs about $1 per kg. I bought it from the local supermarket in Singapore. You can get it online. Look at the large chunky crystals. This type of salt is exceptionally suitable for this recipe. So pour 2 kg of salt into the pot. I'm using a stainless steel pot. However, the most suitable pot is a heavy cast iron Dutch oven or a traditional cast iron Chinese wok. Since I do not have these, I will make do with my stainless steel pot. So place the chicken on the salt and pour the rest of the salt onto the chicken, thus burying the chicken. Use a heavy object like a mortar to press the lid down. Slowly bake it for about 2 hours over very low heat. So 2 hours later, our salt-baked chicken is ready. So remove the mortar, remove the lid, and also remove the salt. So be careful as it is very hot. Then I use a pair of chopsticks to remove the chicken. You can also use a pair of tongs. So I normally remove the outer layer of parchment paper as it is a little bit scorched. Then serve the Hakka salt-baked chicken chopped into neat bite-sized pieces on a platter drizzled with its own juices. Pair with plain steamed white rice and a side of traditional ginger scallion dipping sauce. It is so savory, mildly salty with a tender, silky texture. This will be probably one of the most tender chicken that you have ever tasted. It has a slightly cured chicken flavor. So, it's so easy to make, only requires a few ingredients. I hope you will give this recipe a try someday. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video. Bye!